Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling green hills, lived a bright red kite named Kiko. Kiko wasn't like the big, fancy kites in the kite shop. He was small, a little crooked, and his string was shorter than most. Still, he dreamed of soaring high into the sky and touching the clouds. Every day, Kiko watched the other kites fly above the fields, dancing with the wind. He would whisper to himself, "One day, I'll be up there too." One windy morning, a kind little boy named Sam found Kiko tucked in a dusty corner of the kite shop. His eyes sparkled when he saw the red kite. "You're perfect," he said. Everyone laughed. "That kite won't fly," they told Sam. "It's too small and old." But Sam believed in Kiko. He took the kite home, cleaned off the dust, and mended the small tear in Kiko's wing. The next day, they went to the big kite-flying hill. All the other kids had colorful, shiny kites zooming through the air. Sam ran as fast as he could with Kiko in hand. The wind tugged at Kiko's string. Up he went, a little wobbly at first, then higher and higher. He dipped and spun, his tail flicking joyfully. The other kites tried to show off, doing loops and dives. But when a strong gust of wind came, they fluttered wildly and crashed to the ground. Only Kiko, light and sturdy, rode the wind with ease. "Look," the children cried. "That little red kite is flying the highest." Sam beamed, Kiko beamed too, as much as a kite can. From that day on, no one laughed at the little kite. Kiko became the village's favorite flyer, a symbol of hope and heart. And Kiko, he never forgot to whisper to the wind, "I knew I could." Moral: no dream is too big and no kite too small. Believe in yourself, and you can soar.